Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya wal mursalin sayyidina maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. Before going to explain my proposal, I introduce myself. My name is Suryani. I'm from Gelang. No, I'm student of English department in Hamzanwadi University, and no, I'm 7th semester. Now I will explain the title is an analysis of teacher strategies in teaching reading comprehension. The chapter 1, introduction, is A, background of the study, B, focus of the study, C, purpose of the study, D, significance of the study. Next, A, background of the study. Reading comprehension is one pillar of the age of reading. Teaching strategies in generalized, plan for a lesson or lesson which included structure, decide learner behavior in terms of the goals of instruction, and outline of tactics necessary to implement the strategy. Teacher strategies often expect students to develop their reading skill by osmosis or observation and without help. Okay, now B, focus of the study. The research focus on what kind of teaching strategies employed by English teachers in teaching reading comprehension and how the implement of the strategies. The reading comprehension of the student focus and descriptive text. C, purpose of the study. 1. To find out the English teacher strategies in teaching reading comprehension used at 7th grade OT MTS NWTEROS. 2. To describe to implement exam of English teacher strategies in teaching reading comprehension at the 7th grade at MTS NWTEROS. Okay, now E, significance of the study. Number 1, for students. Number 2, for teachers. Number 3, for the next research. Okay, now chapter 2, review of literature and research question, is A, reading, B, strategy of reading, C, relevant study, D, theoretical framework, E, research question. Okay, next, A, reading. Reading is the process of how information is processed from the text into meanings. Brock and Espin in Emmy 2012 says that reading comprehension is a complex interaction among automatic and strategic and cognitive process that enable the reader to create an mental representation of the text. Next, B, strategy of reading. Types of reading strategy. 4 steps of reciprocal teaching. 1. Prediction. 2. Question as you go. 3. Clarify. 4. Summarize. C. Relevant study. Some research had conducted research that focused on teachers' strategies in teaching reading comprehension as follows. Number 1, Janatun. Number 2, Sarjan. Next, the theoretical framework. In observing English teachers, their strategies in teaching reading and strategies in teaching reading comprehension will be analyzed by the researchers. Next, research question. Number 1. What are the teacher strategies in teaching reading comprehension in the 7th grade at MTS NW Teros in academic year 20 and 21 to 20 and 21. Number 2, how do the teachers implement teaching strategies in reading comprehension in the 7th grade at MTS NW Teros? Next, chapter 3. Research method is A. Research design, B. Setting of the study, C. Participant of the study, D. Data collection, E. Data analysis, V. Trustworthiness. Okay, next, A. Research design. The research uses descriptive design in this research because the research is focused on a certain phenomenon in the school environment. Next, B. Setting of the study. The research took place at MTS NW Teros, located at Teros. Its setting is the English class of 7th grade at MTS NW Teros. Class 1 MTS NW Teros consists of 21 students. Next, C. Participant of the study. The participant of this research are the research herself, the collaborator, and the student of grade 1 of MTS NW Teros. Next, D. Data collection. 1. Definition of the term. 2. Instrument of the study. 3. Technique of collection data. Next, definition of the key term. Instrument is the main important tool to collect the data. Next, instrument of the study. In this research, the collect data were qualitative data. To get the data, the research used data collection technique as follows: A. Interview, B. Observation, C. Documentation. Technique of collection data. A. Interview, B. Observation, C. Documentation. Next, interview. Interview was done to get information from the teacher and the students before and after the action implement. Next, observation. The research observed the teaching learning in class 1 MTS when she did recognize and implement the action. Documentation. The research took picture during teaching and learning process. This picture gave the real situation during the process. Next, D. Data analysis. In this research, used qualitative data analysis technique. Data qualitative research is often done concurrently or simultaneously with data collection. Number 1, coding. Number 2, data reduction. Number 3, data display. Number 4, conclusion. Next, F. Trustworthiness. Trustworthiness is demonstration that the evidence for the result reported is sound and when the argument made based on the result strong. According to Sugiono, trustworthiness has 4 criteria such as: number 1, credibility. Number 2, transferability. C. Defendability. Number 4, confirmability. Okay, thank you very much for attention. Wallahul muwaffiq wal hadi ila sabilir rasyad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.